They came from towns and cities and from stations far away, sons of bankers, shearers, rouseabouts, ready for the fray. For the cooey had gone out, fall in and list at once. Come on, you brave colonial sons, we need you at the front. They traded ties and waistcoats, blue chip boots and dungarees, and took up a khaki uniform, slouch hat and 303. Cream of the nation's manhood, pride of the people's heart. Devil may care and reckless, and eager to play their part. They were Australia's colonial sons. The devil may care who proudly wore the badge of the rising sun. Australia's colonial sons. They gave birth to a legend, but a job had to be done. They were marching, they were drilling, far from worry and from care, loudly singing up the chorus of Australia will be there. For the sake of king and country, side by side they took their place. They went with the mind of a soldier and the heart and soul of a mate. No more mustering of cattle, they were rounding up the Turks, sons of cities and the bush, eager to show their worth. With a cheeky grin of a larrikin, they struck a deadly blow and seared their brand on the bloodstained sand of the beach at Anzac Cove. They were Australia's colonial sons. The devil may care who proudly wore the badge of the rising sun. Australia's colonial sons. They gave birth to a legend, but a job had to be done. On the 25th of April, 1915, the brave young Anzacs stormed the beach at Gallipoli, creating a legend that now lives on in the hearts and souls of all Australians and New Zealanders. They were Australia's colonial sons. The devil may care who proudly wore the badge of the rising sun. Australia's colonial sons. They gave birth to a legend, but a job had to be done. Australia's colonial sons. They gave birth to a legend, but a job had to be done. They gave birth to a legend, but a job had to be done.